What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro. Today, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to hop online today to give you another review of Referral Frenzy, and I've been with this program for quite a while now. And with this program, this will allow you to send safelist mailers out to hundreds of different emailers that different network marketers online that's looking for opportunities, and this site can really show people that you can get tons of traffic with this mailer. And the easiest part about it is you don't have to worry about going through different mailers all at once, going inside their own personal websites. You don't have to worry about that. You can use this with a click of a button. And the main part what I use is Send Mail 2.0. Now, they have hundreds and hundreds of mailers. Well, a little over 100 mailers that you can send. And I'm quite sure a lot of these mailers that you see, you probably are part of. And each of them have download builders too as well. So this is a case, for example, if one person actually signs up for one of these particular websites and you put in your code, everything will pop up, under the person you who you refer to, and they could possibly join under you in all of the mailers. So you get credit points, for surfing through, different traffic, not traffic exchanges, but safe lists. You get credits for it. And these credits allow you to get hundreds and hundreds of leads of different people to check out your opportunity. And some of these you can upgrade in, and some of them you can use for free and click for credits. If you don't want to click any credits, you can actually purchase credits. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how this mailer works. Now, with this mailer, to send all of them all out at one time, you do have to be an upgrade member. So my advice to you is to get the upgrade member. It's only $20 a month if you want to be able to get the whole version, and it's very affordable. And you can check out all of these mailers. They got the HTML mailers where you could be able to put links inside your emails. And each day you could come in here and click for credits, and it shows you right here with all the credits for each traffic, each safe list. Okay. Like, prime example, I'm gonna go to this one called Advertised Mailing. This is one of them right here, and it'll pull up in another window. Now, to get signed up with all these, it will take you a lot of time to get them all set up, because you're gonna have to put all your credentials in, as far as your email and your username, and you got to get signed up. But once you get all of them in, it's well worth it. It's well worth it. So think about thousands of people that you're sending out per day, and you can actually check out your stats. These are a little bit of some ads that I have actually written, and I use these ads to send out to all those mailers that you have seen in the previous screen. And these go out to different, affiliate marketing tools that I, when I got leads that I built, I help my downlines with different traffic sources that they can use. They can use this tool as well. So you also have my ad stats. This shows you from all the mailers that you mailed out. It shows you click through rate. You can see how many people view your website. You can see which website that people clicked on, which safe list. You can check all that out. You also have solos. You can buy and purchase solo ads, and you can have these in the rotator as well. They also have unread solos. You can see this. You can check out different people that actually market their opportunity. You can check out some solos. They got premium solos. These right here is banners. You could place your banner, and they give you three. You get at least up to three banners that you can put in rotation. And so they show you how many hits that you get a day, and they show you, just to show people that's being on this site to be rotating. You can actually see people promoting. You can promote your own. All right. Have an area where all your referrals will be. Also, just the affiliate toolbox. Now, these are different types of tools that you can use to market Referral Frenzy. So they got email swipes. They got banner ads. You can check them out. So you can post these on different websites. Um, yeah, it's just very, very incredible that you can use. And I love, Referral Frenzy because if you looking for something that's free, that you don't have to, pay just to get traffic, this would be a incredible way instead of, especially when you first starting out with getting traffic to your websites. Referral Frenzy is, one of the top mailers that you can get, and you also, I'm gonna show you this too. You also can send mailers 30 days ahead as well. But once you become a pro member, you can send 30 mails today. But I'm gonna click on all this first. So I'm gonna click on the plain text mail so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so if I hit send mail, it shows you all the mailers that's clicked. Now some of these mailers that you see, you probably cannot send out because you already have mailed out. Each mailer, each safelist mailer has their own time when you could be able to send mailers. That's why it's good to join up with all of these mailers, because if you cannot mail one with one safe list, it's other ones that you could mail out until those other ones be unlocked. So if you check those out, they also have different special offers where you can get upgrades, and you could get, if you can upgrade, with certain bonuses that you could collect to get more credits. So think about hundreds and hundreds of mailers that you could mail out each day, guys. So this is very, very incredible. If you would like to know more about Referral Frenzy, you can leave your comments in the comment section. You can join up with me and Referral Frenzy. The link in the description will be in this video. Make sure you check that out. And I also got other traffic exchanges that I use, other ways to market my your opportunity. I could be able to teach you that. You could just send me, a buzz. All right. So that's all I wanted to show you guys today. Thank you for watching. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.